It's the year 2020 and you're at the gas pump and the gas price is $9.99 a gallon. Or the alternative in the year 2020 is 99 cents a gallon. $1 a gallon gasoline. I actually propose that we can do that. It's a very straightforward kind of a method to do it. What you need is vast quantities of energy, more than you can easily come up with and cheaper than you can easily do on the surface of the Earth. The idea is to build solar power satellites, a project that's been well understood for nearly 40 years now. Use enormous quantities of energy from these power satellites, literally thousands of gigawatts of power, eventually reaching into the 25 terawatt range, which is almost twice as much power as the whole human race uses nowadays. And use that to synthesize, making synthetic gasoline at a very low cost. To do this, you have to get the energy down to around a penny a kilowatt hour, which means you have to get the installed cost of a kilowatt down to around $800, which in turn means you have to get the cost of lifting materials from the surface of the Earth to geosynchronous to under $100 a kilogram. It looks like that can be done. There are at least two ways to get cargo from the Earth in that kind of volumes, around 1 billion kilograms per year, that will get you under $100 a kilogram lifted cost. The first way is to use a partial elevator, and the second way is to pop stuff up with a rocket, and while it's hanging above the atmosphere, you accelerate it sideways with a laser propulsion. Either of these mechanisms, hopping up to the end of a long, to a tether, a space elevator that comes down a diameter or so from the Earth, or the business of using a laser to pump to push stuff on out. If you're going to build stuff in the kind of volumes of around 1 billion kilograms per year lifted to geosync, either of these looks like it will get the cost down under $100 a kilogram, and that in turn will get the cost of electric power installed to under $800 a kilowatt, and that in turn will get you down to penny a kilowatt electricity, and penny a kilowatt electricity can be converted to gasoline at around $1 a gallon. And this is the website, http://htyp.org/DTC, and there's a link from there into the $1 a gallon site, and from there to penny a kilowatt, and from there to $100 a kilogram. Hope we can do it.